lying in my bed, how I billow and cry from this stupid game, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling as I keep on digging my place in this cold ends of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have lit her wings and make her mine through all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Oh, I had... Ano ba sunod nun? Kalimutan ko, ayoko na.